What's up everyone, Marissa here, and in this video we're going to be talking about a Clickbank affiliate marketing strategy that can make you up to $300 per day within the next 7 days. It's pretty powerful, guys. Stay tuned and check it out. Okay guys, welcome back. And so as I said in this video, I'm going to be talking and sharing a Clickbank strategy that can really help you guys in your Clickbank affiliate marketing business and really any product you're promoting on the internet. This is dynamite. You're going to want to hang on till the end because you won't want to miss a minute. Now, this strategy is a little bit intermediate because this is assuming you have a product to offer, you have a profitable product on Clickbank or some other marketplace, and you know the beginner steps on how to make a funnel. If not, I have all those resources on different videos to go ahead and watch those and get acquainted with how to do those simple things, how to pick a profitable offer, how to make a simple 2-step sales funnel. So in this video, I'm going to go a little bit deeper in how you can improve your funnels and your opt-in rates and your sales, okay? Because at the end of the day, making money online is not making money online unless you make sales. If you're new to the channel, I go ahead and invite you to smash that subscribe button because I post consistently and pretty much daily on how you can make improvements to your online business, and it's really exciting. It's my way to give back to you guys so you can live the lifestyle that you want and have more time freedom and spend more time with those you love and be able to travel the world like I do. This is my 5.5 month mark of saying goodbye to the US. I'm in Bali, Indonesia. I've been traveling since January 3rd and today is June 10th. So yeah, it's been really great. But I haven't, the way I've been able to make money is simply with a laptop and internet connection. So I'm trying to share everything I can with you guys so that you guys can model what I'm doing and help improve your business, okay? All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on today's lesson on today's Clickbank strategy. All right, so what we have here is a simple, it's a 2-step funnel technically, because right here is where your landing page is going to be, your capture page. And as I said, I have plenty of videos on how to do that, so you can reference those later. But right here is where, after you collect the name and email, this is going to be the first page that they land on. And it's going to have another headline, and it's going to have text right here, small paragraph, maybe just a couple of sentences. And right here is going to be your main element where you're going to get people to go ahead and click the button to your affiliate offer. Is this what we call a value video, otherwise known as a pre-selling video? Right here, okay? And then of course below the video you are going to have a call to action button where people can click to this page too. Now let me just kind of give you an example and put into perspective the headline and the small paragraph means. Oh, I can't spell. So what you're going to have here in your small paragraph, well, let's first talk about the headline. I'm going to use the example of credit repair again because it's a pretty good niche, and there's a lot of good influencers and influencers with credit repair YouTube channels where they have huge followings. Like, look at this guy, 93K. That's berserk. But he's got, he's in the credit niche. He helps you with disputes, building up your credit, business credit, do's and don'ts, all that good stuff. So let's say this guy wants to promote a product on Clickbank in the credit repair niche, and I just clicked on one called Credit Repair Software, or Credit Repair Magic. So this is the sales page to it. So it has a video and all this other stuff. So we're going to pretend like we're promoting a product like this in this example. And so the headline is going to be something like, simple 3 steps on on improving credit within the next month or whatever. That's kind of lame. I can't really think right now of a good punchline for that credit repair because I'm not in that niche, but the next 30 days. And then here you're going to talk about how people, or why people are failing. And when I mean failing, you know, why people don't have good credit, the 3 biggest mistakes people get when getting credit cards, da 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 da, and the number 1, you know, solution and tactic on how to improve that. And then this video is going to explain, it should be maybe, I would say like 3 to 5 minutes, nothing too crazy long. You don't want a 30-minute video right here. And you don't even have to show your face if you don't want. If I was this guy, I would definitely show my face because his face is all over his brand, and I would just talk to the camera. But 3 to 5 minutes on how they can, you know, get started right away with improving whatever, XYZ. Because people love it. They love the most effective videos, these value videos and pre-selling videos. People love it when they can implement something or learn something right away, because you want to present your offer as something of high value. Because if people are going to get turned off and click away if they don't know, or if you don't give them something to entice them right away. So you talk about why people fail with credit, and like, you know, the number 1 tactic to improve, or whatever it is, right? And then here you would have a call to action button. So it would be click here and learn more. Learn more. Oops, I put the money symbol. Click here and learn more and get a bonus. A bonus. Okay, so this is the other element that I'm going to encourage you guys to do on page 2 of this funnel. Okay, so in page 2, we're going to have a similar headline. It's not going to be the exact same. This one's going to be a little bit even more enticing. Like, for example, in this credit repair niche, I would say something like, you know, how to boost your credit score by 30 points within the next 2 weeks and save thousands of dollars by doing so. Something like that, okay? Really, really, really grabs their attention. And here you're going to have more text. So we're going to have our elements on our page 2 of our funnel. And then here, what you're going to have, the third element is going to be an image. It's not going to be a text, or I'm sorry, a video, because we already, you know, did our pre-selling and gave value video in the first page. So this is going to be an image. I'll just put an I for image. And right here, you're going to have text, just, you know, a little bit about the product. And right here is going to be your pitch. This is where the good stuff comes. Your pitch and why. It goes beyond why and the why people should buy, you know, but it goes beyond why people should buy the product just because it's a great product. This is where, you know, it gets, you have to have the good reasons why. I mean, you know, people, something like, this is where you can share maybe a quick testimonial. Like, you know, John was 80K in credit card debt, and using this system, you know, got to a 710 credit score within 8 months or something crazy like that. All right. And then here you're going to have your oops, that's really a terrible button. You're going to have another call to action button, and this one's going to be, you know, buy XYZ product and get my bonus. Get the bonus, my bonus, whatever. And this bonus is going to be highly relatable, obviously, to the product. So maybe your bonus is, you know, my free guide to, like, maybe it's like, I don't know, 50 steps. Well, that's a lot of steps. 10 steps to improving whatever it is, your credit right away. So something on top of what they're going to get with the Clickbank product. So you have this bonus to entice them. So it's an offer they can't resist, so they don't want to click away off the page. So then, of course, after when they click on this link, that's going to go to your affiliate link, and then it will go to the sales page. Okay, so this is a simple technically 3 steps with the landing page here. 3-step funnel that will seriously help boost your conversions. Just test this out with one Clickbank product, and I promise you guys will seriously see the increase in opt-ins and also sales. And I hope this guys helped you out a lot. I have a full Clickbank tutorial playlist. I will put that in the description down below. Until then, guys, please give me some feedback on this video. Give me a big, huge thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how I did, or if you have any questions. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more daily videos just like this one. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.
Okay, bye.